Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, and red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Pay close attention to subject matter of Scripture and prepare specific questions for the text to answer. Devotion needs to be based on Scriptures. Before reading or reciting Scripture, offer obeisances to Narayana, human's abode, water vehicle, and respectfully mention who made the knowing of Scripture possible. There are examples and teachings for those in all modes. Self-realization combines with God-realization. Focus on the manifestation is to alleviate and assimilate. Some Scripture is better for some than others. Speak as necessary. Some places enhance worship. It is important to perform ablutions before explicitly spiritual tasks. Some severe things can only be counteracted by similar severity. Take pleasure in others doing right. In the context of a rightful duty, nothing is wrong. Pay attention to what is in season and preserve of it for future use. Always break for rituals at sunset and with deaths. Deity is beyond time and space. But is the ultimate operator of time, space, and matter. Regard the sanctity of the implements of worship. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Connect with the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The all-attractive, the all-pleasurable, the ever-potent. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.